Let us solve question number 17 from exercise 1.2. So question is a little tricky, not difficult but little tricky. The question goes like this: find the 20th term, they say. When they ask you 20th term, obviously something brings in your mind like A20. See, this is what brings in your mind, A20. Well, that's not the thing they are asking. They are asking the 20th term from the last. 20th term from the last term you have to find out. See, for example, given AP is 3, 8, 13, so on, 253. The last term is 253. See a difference, you know, 3 and 8. What is the difference? 5, right? Generally you know that. 8 and 13. 13 minus 8 is 5, right? Very easy. So you know that this is 253. What is the previous term? Okay, 5 lesser than that. That is 248. Now 248 if I write. This is not required in the problem. Just I am asking you to observe, because you know you need to understand what they are asking. So 248 is the second term from the last. This is the last term which we call a-nth. What is the previous one? That is a(n minus 1). The previous term a(n minus 1) is the second term from the last. This is the last term. This is the second term from the last. So what is the third term from the last? That will be, see, I will write in the reverse order. A(n) is the last term. Previous, that is second term from the last, will be n minus 1. So this is the last term. First term from the last. Second term from the last. Second term from the last. This first term from the last. So what is the third term from the last? That will be a(n minus 2). What will be the fourth term from the last? a(n minus 3). So do you see a connection here? There is one number less than the number given here. So for first, nothing here. For 2 there is 1. For 3 there is 2. For 4 there is 3. Continuing the pattern, if you want the 20th term from the last, it will be a(n minus, this 20 here, this must be, will be trying to find the value for a(n minus 19). So that's why I have written here a(n minus 19) is question mark. So that is the 20th term from the last. Just for food for thought, if I had asked you the 30th term, what will that be? That would be a(n minus 29). Clear? Well, let's continue now. To find out this, like any other problem, we need to find out a, d, right? A, d and n values. Now, let me put the values whichever I know. A is equal to 3, d is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to 8 minus 3, okay, which is equal to 5. So I got a and I got d. So since those two values I have, I can go for a(n) value. A(n) formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. But this time, in place of n, I want n minus 19. So a and n minus 19 is equal to a plus, that is a is 3, plus n minus 1. Our n value itself is replaced with n minus 19. So n minus 19 minus 1 into d. d value is 5. Further simplification, a(n minus 19) is equal to 3 plus minus 19 minus 1 becomes minus 20. So this is n minus 20 into 5. Next step, a(n minus 19) is equal to 3 plus, applying distributive property, 5 into n is 5n minus 100. 3 and minus 100 can be simplified. So a(n minus 19), the required answer is equal to 5n minus 100 plus 3. This positive, this is negative, means subtraction. So 100 minus 3 is 97. Bigger number is minus, so minus. So this, in this, I don't know n value. I don't know n value. I'll store this as equation 1. Then, by using the known value, that is the last term 253, I'll find out what is the total number of terms. So let me try it here. So what is an this time? An is the last term, that is 253. So apply the same formula once more. An, which is 253, an is 253, is equal to a, which is 3, plus n I don't know, I need to find out, into d, which is 5. 3 comes to the other side, becomes minus 3. 253 minus 3, that is 250. So 5 into n, 5n, minus 5 ones are 5. 253 minus 3 is 250. Minus 5 comes to the other side, becomes plus 5, which is equal to 5n. 250 plus 5 is 255, which is equal to 5n. 5 comes to the other side, becomes divided by 5. So 255 by 5 is equal to n. 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 ones are 5. So n is equal to 51. Now we know n is equal to 51 is the answer. I'll call it equation 2. Substitute the value of n in equation 2 into equation 1. Replace this n as 51. We got the answer. Let me write it in this side. So I am going to use this equation. So an minus 19 is equal to 5n. 5n, n is 51. 51 minus 97, that is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, that is 255 minus 97. 15 minus 7 is 8, 4, 1 carry, 14 minus 9, 14 minus 9 is 5, right, and 1 remaining here, 158. So 158 is the 20th term from the last term of the given AP.